Almost like a brand new house, this house was completely renovated down to the framing. Hi, I'm Tanja Odzak, 𝒂𝒟𝒐𝒆 Realty, and I'm going to take you inside. Welcome to 887 Linnea Avenue. This like-new beauty has 3 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom across 1,051 square feet. With the most modern updates and latest beautiful trends, you're not going to want to miss this one. Built in 1951, but effectively a 2026 home, this elegant and gorgeously redone home has everything new inside. New kitchen, new bathroom, full new electrical, both the wires and a new panel. New roof, new drywall, new vinyl plank floor, new exterior stucco. You get the picture. I'm Tanja Odzak. If you have any questions about this house, call me. If you'd like to talk to me about selling your home, I'd love to help.